Hi guys, on this video I'm going to show you how you can fix the error of Windows Defender that when you try to open it, you find yourself with a prompt that you need a new app to open Microsoft Defender. Now, this is going to work for that, or also if completely doesn't open and it doesn't show you anything on the screen. But before we start, don't forget to drop a like into the video and to subscribe for more content like this one. Let's start. I'm going to give you the two most common solutions to this problem. The first of them, you want to right-click into the Start button, go into your settings. From there, you want on the left side where you see Apps and Installed Apps. Now it's going to load a list with all the applications that you have installed in your system, and you want to scroll all the way down until you find Windows Security. You want to click into the three dots on the right side and select Advanced Options. And right here on the Reset, you are going to use both options. First, you want to try it with Repair, that is going to try to repair Windows itself application. And then, if this didn't work, you can try it with Reset. Now, the second option that I want to show you, you want to go into the search bar and type PowerShell. You are going to see right here the Windows PowerShell. Now, for this to work, you need to right-click into it and to select Run as Administrator. This is a really important step, guys, so don't forget about this. Now that the PowerShell is open, you want to copy and paste the code that I'm going to let you guys in the description down below. So you want to press Ctrl-C to copy it and then Ctrl-V to paste it. Once you have pasted the code, you want to press into Enter. This is going to download and reinstall everything, try to repair all the problems that you can have. And normally this should fix your problem. You only have to wait a moment until this is completely done. Now that everything is on, I recommend you guys that you reset your PC, and after done that, your Windows Defender is going to be working once more inside of Windows. Thanks for watching. If the content was useful, don't forget to drop a like because it really helps with the YouTube algorithm, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials, tips, and tricks like this one. See you guys on the next time. Bye bye.